Hello everyone. Okay, we are going to see how we can uninstall a program from MacBook. There are many ways we can uninstall a program from Mac. So we will see step by step and one by one all the ways how we can uninstall our application from MacBook. Okay, the first way is if you click or press the F4 key from your Mac, then it will be launch a launchpad for you, or simply you can click this option. There is the all the application we have installed. So simple, press and hold the option key, then start juggling, and it will give you the option and the cross sign where you click and delete or install your program from the Mac. But some Mac, this trick is not working, so that same in my case, in my Mac it is not working. So we will move our next step, how we will see how we can uninstall the program from the Mac. Then simply click on the Finder and then click on the application. There is all the application we have, and just select the application which we want to uninstall. Just hold and press and move into the bin. When we will move into the bin, and then you can simply see this application is removed from our Mac. So there is the another way, when you click on the Apple icon and click on the system preferences, then it will open the Mac for us. Or also you can find the journal from there, or also you can again click on about this Mac, and here you can see the option of storage. When you click on option of storage, here we can see the storage, how much storage is available or how much storage are occupied. So we simply click on manage, and then we can see here all the stuff are loading, which tell us how many space the application bin and the other files are taking. So we need to go into the application, and there we can find our application, and we simply click on application. Application is taking at 27.72 GB, and when I click on application, there is all the application. Like I want to delete this application, I will click on simple delete option, and this will show the pop-up, are you sure you want to delete this program or file, and it will free 64.3 MB storage for us. When I click on delete, it will simply delete for us. The another issue we can face, also you can see bin is taking a space. So if we delete any program for spacing purpose, then definitely uh, our Mac hold this space, and we want to remove the file totally from our Mac, so that we have more space and we can work smoothly with our task. So we need to go on into the bin, and also we can select the bin from here. When we click the bin from here, we can see all the things are there. We can empty this bin, and then this space is free for us, like 18.15 GB, because it will permanently erase all the files which we cannot recover again in the Mac. So I deleted recently one program. When I go and simply delete this one, like this one I delete now on the Ultra Data for Android. When I click on empty, we can empty this one, or also we can select specific file and delete this one. Like I will click, and it will ask me, are you sure you want to delete this file? So uh, this file will be permanently deleted from the bin and also from our Mac, and the space for this file is available for our Mac. So these are the way how we can uninstall the program from our Mac. We see three different ways we can uninstall our apps from MacBook. Hope so you get the point how we can simply do this.